Sawadee Krab and Sawadee Minecraft. Welcome to another episode of the Boxing King, where we will unbox all the tech gadgets for you. So you've seen me unbox the Realme X2 Pro recently, so today we have the Realme X2 Pro Master Edition. So before going into this phone, let's cue to the intro. So now let's check out the box first. So first, let's look at the design of the box. The whole box design and material use a minimalism matte sandpaper-like material design. Now, let's open up the box. Ooh. So even if the inside, it also uses a matte sandy material. So let's check what's inside is. So this is the menu, the jelly case. There's the phone and the charging brick, which is a 50-watt super watts fast charge charging brick, USB-A to USB-C cable, and the SIM pin too. Now, box katapi. Let's check out the phone. First, let's unwrap the phone and turn it on. While turning it on, let's check out the design of the phone. So, switching to the back. Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ooh! That feel, I cannot! Ooh! Okay, stay calm, Joshua. Stay calm. Okay, so let's explain a bit what I feel on the texture to give you a picture of it. So, the design, it doesn't feel like the real brick, but it feels more sandy and matte. It's like something like the sandpaper feel. So it gives a really great touch to it. I can touch it all day without letting go of it. So Realme collabs with a famous Japanese designer called Naoto Fukasawa, which you can see the imprint of his signature below the Realme logo here. So of the design, now let's talk about the tech spec. The tech spec comes with the same tech spec as the original Realme X2 Pro version, which is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset, a 12GB RAM and up to 256GB of storage space. And on the front, it has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED 90Hz refresh rate display. And other than that, it also comes with a 4000 mAh battery, which supports by a 50-watt super watt charger, which Realme claim that it can charge up to a full charge with just 30 minutes. So talking about the camera, it has a quad camera setup, a 64MP main camera setup, a 30MP telephoto lens, a 8MP ultra-wide sensor, and also a 2MP depth sensor. And on the front, it has a 16MP selfie camera. So lastly, the price. The Realme X2 Pro Master Edition is start at the price of 2,399 ringgit, which is the same price as the original version of the Realme X2 Pro. And it only has a limited amount of 50 units available in Malaysia. So if you really like this Realme X2 Pro Master Edition and you want to get your hands on it, do clear up your schedule on the 21st and 22nd December, this coming Saturday and Sunday at Comic Fiesta to get yourself one of these. So I think that's all for today. I'm Boxer J, and I'll see you next time. I'm now getting myself a Realme X2 Pro Master Edition.